Hi guys, welcome to my channels. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use slide options in your presentations in PowerPoint. Yeah, and first of all, please kindly subscribe my channels and hit the bells for watching my more videos. We have slides here, slide sections. We also have in home menu or insert menu. Also here we have, but we completely use it from home menu. Okay, and we can add slides from here. We just click here. We have different type of slides, slide with title, content, or comparisons to content, or we have two things that we want to compare it with each other. We can use the slides compared with chart, picture, or anything else. Or if you want to a blank slides, you can use it as once. Or we also have another option, just clicking by over these options you can have it another slides also. And we have three sections in this point. Duplicate slide means if you have a specific slides you want to have the copy of that, you can use it. Just click on duplicate, you can have it at once. Or you can also click right, go to the copy, and you can paste it again. You can have it easy. The next one is slide from outline. If you have another or external or extra slides in your PC, you can have it just by clicking here, and you can have it at once. Or also if you made or if you work another slides, also you can use it. Just go through this options and you can use it. Go to the browsers and find your files to add it here or your slides. This point has finished. We go to the true layout. What is difference between layout and adding new slides? In adding slides we adding sheets or adding papers, but in layout we cannot add anything. Here we just make designs, make a shape, or make a change. Okay, if we have this kind of comparisons, we can just add it to title and content, not adding anything, or just we blank it. Okay, if we have this kind of sheets, just we remove anything, or if we add something, we can reset it, it comes back. And in sections, if in presentations we have cover, we have introductions, first part, second part, anything else. If you want to add any cover for each of slides or any titles, you can just add here or rename anything. First, the first section, the first slide is cover, cover, and the next one is we can add it, name it introduction, introductions. Okay, cover, introductions, first part, second, up to the end. And here we can just have remove sections. Remove, if you want to remove just one, not the cover, we go to the remove sections. If you want to remove all, you can remove all, or you can remove all also here. If you want to add anything, collapse all. If you want to expand all, just click on expand all. Yeah, you can expand all the sheets or slides. And in insert menu we have just add slides, not layout, not reset, not section options. Have fun. Bye.